What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good morning from Bali, Indonesia. We're going to go over our friend Matic. We're starting to see the push up we've been looking for. Currently sitting at 82 cents, up 2.7 on the day. Seeing market cap of 7.14 billion. 24-hour volume 139 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you need to pick it up to $8,000 in bonuses or buy it up to $30,000 in bonuses, make your first deposit. Email me your sign-up email to either exchange. This is where I do my investing and trading, and I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members talking all things crypto. Let's hop into Matic. So we're starting to push up. This is what we've been expecting here. So what we're looking for is that wave 2 pullback. So we came down in a wave 1, and we're going through an A, B, C correction. Within a wave C or 5 waves. So we've pushed up in a wave 1. We have a wave 2 pullback looking to push up in a wave 3. Now, if we were to zoom in here and try to do a micro count, what could we look at? Potentially, this could be a wave 1. This is a wave 2 pullback. Starting to push up in a wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to complete that wave 3 in green. So if we take a quick measurement here, these really small micro counts can be inaccurate, so take it with a grain of salt. Then a 1.618 extension is sitting at 82 cents. You'd pull back at a wave 4 and you'd push up in a wave 5 to complete the wave 3. See a wave 4 pullback, see a wave 5 to take you up to this yellow box target zone for the price of Matic. All right, gang. So that's what I'm looking at. If we look at our next chart here, beautiful inverse head and shoulders breakout. The technical target is 85 cents, which lines up with our target zone here. So I do think there's a good chance that we make it up to that level. Looking for the price of Ethereum, what we're looking at is a wave 3 as well, and an ABC correction in a wave 2. So we've come up in a wave A. This is a wave B, and then we're looking to put a 5-wave move in a C. So we push up in a wave 1, ABC into a 2 with the ABCDE corrective triangle. And now potentially you'd probably be looking at a 1, 2, looking to push up in a 3, 4, 5 to complete that 3 in orange, put in a 4, put in a 5 to complete the wave 2. So everything's been playing out, which is always nice to see. Of course, it doesn't always happen that way. But so far, our predictions have been accurate for this pullback. So we'll see if we see that continuation. As we can see here on the daily, we are starting to break that trend line from this downsloping channel. So if we can break this major level of resistance here, right around, we're already back above the point of control, which is a good sign. If we hold this area as support, then we can push right back up to the top of this yellow box before seeing continuation to the downside, in my opinion. All right, gang, so that's basically it for this little update. We're making some juicy profits on the trade signal that we gave in the Discord for a Matic long. And that's coming in at 10 USD per month. Early access to my analysis as well as trade signals. Only 10 USD per month. And you can have free access to all chat rooms if you sign up to BitGet or Bybit. Email me your sign up email and free access to all chat rooms. 10 USD. Early access to my analysis signals. You can see what I'm doing with my HODL alt plays. You can sign up through the Patreon link. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.